I literally just flew out of bed. Hey, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Madison. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. And I kind of have another similar video to the one that I just posted, literally called like Jeffree Star unboxing. Well, I have a mystery box, and wow, that little shriek was just like, I don't even know who that was. But I did get my hands on one of the deluxe mystery boxes. It was $40. I ended up paying $52. Still taped, haven't even peeked or anything yet. Real excited. I'm a little nervous because I saw a lot of people got the green, like the mint highlighter. I'm gonna be a little upset if I get the green highlighter. I'm not a green highlighter person, but we'll see. We'll see. Fingers crossed. My money is on the lips. I want like a good lip because the one lip. Speaking of lips, I probably still have my foundation lips on. That's how excited that I was that I got the package. I literally did my makeup and started filming like right now, and I probably still have foundation all over my mouth. Hold on. I got a message literally 30 seconds ago saying your Jeffree Star Cosmetics order has been delivered. So I'm assuming it's at the door, but I didn't hear the doorbell ring or the dogs didn't bark. So let's go look. It's right there. Wow, it's tiny. It has arrived. It's in my hand. Yay! Okay. Okay, so here's the mystery box. It actually is way smaller than I thought. I didn't buy, my sister, like in the last video you saw the highlighter came in a box probably about this big and like this tall, one individual highlighter, and there's supposed to be like five things in this, I believe. Yeah, so let's go ahead and pop this open. Open it with one hand. Ooh. Okay, so on top it's just pink tissue paper. It literally looks like there's like nothing in here, low-key. I'm a sue. I'm just kidding. So yeah, let's see here. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Look at how beautiful. Okay. Oh, wow. So right on top, you see we have the three velour liquid lipsticks. We have one lip ammunition, the pop socket, yes, and the skin frost. Now we're gonna get into the actual unboxing. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Excuse me, I'm new here. Okay, you have, hello, yes, the red Jeffree Star logo company pop socket, which is super cute. Maybe I could put two pop sockets on my phone. Ooh. No, okay. So then one of my lip things is open. Ooh! Oh great, okay. I'm a little scared. Oh my god, can't relate! Ah! That's the one I wanted. Okay, alright, hold on. I'm so excited here. Okay, so I got a little scared when I first saw this one. This one is a velour liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Clout, which is a purple. So first off, we have Clout here in this beautiful, beautiful packaging. His packaging is literally like the best packaging ever. Like hands down, this is Clout. Oh my gosh. The packaging is everything. Hold on. I've never seen one of these up close. Look at this. It has the glitter. Oh my gosh, Jeffree. Slaying. I'm gonna do a little swatch real fast. So it is a metallic purple. Wow, that's beautiful. Now, this, I'm not gonna lie, would be absolutely perfect for a music festival. Is this a sign, Jeffree? I was just playing Marshmallow and I wanted to go to Ultra so bad. Is this a sign that I should go? I think it is. Like, I don't know. I'm so excited right now. Okay, so then the next one, I am so excited because it's the same like packaging and formula and everything as the Clout one we just got. It's Can't Relate, which is in a nude. In a nude. So here's this one. Oh my gosh, it's like a perfect shade. Like the perfect shade. Okay, so we're gonna go back in with the swatching. Oh my gosh, this is the shade I was looking for. Oh, that was such an ugly swatch. I am so sorry, I'm just so excited. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, that is the shade that I was looking for. I just got all my money's worth in this box with this one right here, like this was exactly what I was looking for. And then this is just like go to a rave, Madison, go to a rave, you need to go to, like, just go. So I'm gonna switch it up and go with the Skin Frost now. Okay, so I got Regina George. Iconic, like honestly, okay. Regina George. Oh my gosh! Is this a highlighter? Or is this gonna come out this color? This is the brightest shade of pink that I've ever seen. Look at this. It's the same color as the compact. Oh my gosh, dude. I am shook. Like, do you see this? Like, Jeffree, girl. Okay, we're gonna do this underneath the this one. Okay, Jeffree. Okay. Next! I'm so excited. So the next thing I'm gonna open is gonna be, oh my god. I just saw the shade of this. This is called Watermelon Soda. I'm sorry, what? Oh my god, it's beautiful. So this is the Watermelon Soda. Looks like this. My wonderful swatches. Oh wow. Oh my god. This is like a statement lip. 100%. I love the color. 100%. That's gonna look amazing. Next and final, I'm so sad that this is the last item in the mystery box. It's gonna be the Lip Ammunition. Oh my god, it's a pink. It's called Jeffree's Girl. I'm so excited. Like my hyperness is through the roof right now. I love it. It's lip. Oh, I love it. I can't. Jeffree packaging. Again. Could you imagine like going through like customs or something and then being like, ma'am, why is there a big bullet in your bag? And be like, it's just my lip ammunition. Jeffree's Girl, 100% Barbie pink, which would look really good ombre with that watermelon soda. Yes, I knew it. I was like, okay, that would look really good. Jeffree's Girl, beautiful, beautiful pink. Wow. Wow. Oh. They're A+ for my swatching. A+. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test these out on camera. Alright, so I'm going to start out with the Lip Ammunition in Jeffree's Girl. Wow, applies amazing. So this is Jeffree's Girl. Normally I would never pick this color out for myself, but I love. Let's go ahead and do Can't Relate. I'm living. This is a 10 out of 10. Can't Relate. 10 out of 10. Can't Relate. No, but Can't Relate is a 10 out of 10. We're gonna try Watermelon Soda, which literally looks like it's gonna match my lips right now. So let's just take a try. Oh my gosh. It's a Jolly Rancher. Oh my god. Jeffree. Sweetie, you outdid yourself. I'm gonna die a happy girl. This is amazing. Like, sis. Like, tea. Oh. My rave lipstick. This one's gonna be called Rave Lipstick. This is a wow. This is a definite if I had like, you know, like green and like metallic eyes and then like gems going down and some gems up here, and I had a cool, like my hair in like space buns. Like this is a music festival lip right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am so sorry that it was another unboxing video, but this one was a definitely like sit down with the purpose, knew what I was doing video. But if you guys did enjoy it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on everything. Click that little notification button, because guess what? Here I am the following week with another video. I'm staying on my track. So yeah, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next week. Bye. We collide.